Hello guys, good morning. Today I will show you how you can replace the LCD and screen digitizer from a Samsung Tab A7 tip number SM-T500. First, you have to shut down the tablet. So I've already done that, but be sure it's shut down before you start the works. And then you have to heat up the tablet so we can cut the adhesive. I use this electric oil radiator to heat up the tablet. So we can cut in the adhesive and remove the old cracked screen. I leave the tablet over here for about 5 to 10 minutes, heating it up on both sides. After heating up the tablet, we will wear this samurai gripflex knitted blade gloves so we cannot cut us, and also protect your eyes with some glasses. Be careful at the camera over here. Be sure the tablet is shut down. You can give a short push on the start button, and if it's not lighting up the screen, it's shut down.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
I can feel the glass shattering to my face, so always wear some goggles.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
The flex cable is on the left side when the camera is above. So we will take a Phillips screwdriver and loosen those two bolts. The two bolts are identical, so you don't have to place them in the same order. With some plastic tool, we can lift the connector up, like that. So you can see the old shattered LCD the tablet without the screen now, and over here we have the new one to place in. First we will clean up all the glass over here. Be careful with the camera, and then we will place the new one on. This part, this flex cable, we have to reuse again to connect the new screen. So don't throw that away. First I will heat the tablet up again, and then I will remove all the glass at the sides of the tablet. So we will remove the sticker. Be careful because there is some adhesive underneath. So don't pull it like that, but slowly pull it like this. And then you can take it away. Also, we are going to reuse this part, so to keep it in place with a new screen. So you have to pull up this latch, this little black piece. You have to slide it up like that. And then we can slide this part in again. So that's okay for the new LCD. There are some glass shatters on the plastic on the LCD, so always leave the plastic on until the screen is installed entirely. So now we will remove all the glass and the adhesive. So we will connect the new LCD with the tablet. and turning the bolts back on. So now before we will glue the tablet, we will check if it's working fine. So push on the start button to boot the tablet. That seems to be okay, so we will test the screen digitizer now.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
And everything seems to work fine. So we will shut down the tablet and we will glue it and then let it dry for a while, and then the tablet is ready to use again. Shut down. So the tablet is shut down now, and now we can glue it up. First we have to remove this parts. Be sure when you pull this away you don't touch the glass before the camera over here and the sensor on the left above. So you have enough place to work with this flex cable because it's long enough. So now you can put some adhesive on and glue the LCD on the tablet. On this side you don't have many place, so be careful over there and do not put some glue over the lens and on the camera screen over here, and also on this side you have to be careful. If you lay it like this, you have enough place to work and to put the adhesive on. Here I can see another piece of glass. To glue it up, I will use Tech 7 Transclear. This costs about 12 euros, and if you use a little bit too much, it's very easy to clean because it isn't hard in a few seconds, so you can clean it up and then let it rest for a while.
All around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Be careful on the camera. and also on this sensor. I think it's a proximity sensor. And now with the big flathead screwdriver, we will slide it out and remove the Tab A7 that's too much. And now we will glue it up. And this Tab A7 is easy to clean. So it's still working fine. And now we will put some weight on it and let it rest for about 10 to 12 hours. Longer, it's also fine. So shutting it down again. Shutting it down, then turning it, and then put some weight on it. We will push a few times extra. And that's how you fix the Samsung Tab A7 SM-T500. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.